Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to stop others from downloading your videos on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Under Account section, go to Privacy. Swipe up to go down. Under Interactions, tap on Downloads. Here you will see the option, Video Downloads. Simply tap the slider to turn it off. From now on, other people won't be able to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms. So in this way, you can stop others from downloading your videos on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.